Translation gigs on the Fiverr are literally booming. Like people are charging up to $5 to $100 per project without any skill, and they are easily earning up to plenty of dollars as their passive income. And the fun fact, you don't even need to speak in another language to start. And just in this video, I'll show you a free Chrome plugin which make it ridiculously easy to get started just right from your browser. This tool is a best alternative of the Google Translate. So in order to access this tool, the link is in the description. Just you have to click on that link. So after clicking on the link, just you have to open it and then you have to add this extension to the Chrome. Just follow the steps I am performing on the screen, and then yes, just complete all these formalities and then you are good to go for the signing up of this platform. Trust me, it is one of the most valuable and useful platform for converting text, translations and even images and PDFs too. So yes, this is an best way for generating and passive income. So as you can see, now I am done with the login, and just with this option you can translate the whole text to any of the language you wanna with particular genre, right? And yes, it's easy, but there are plenty of few more options where this AI translation tools wins as compared to the Google Translate. So as you can see how much easily and briefly he has converted the text into our language whichever we wanna, and here you get plenty of options which you can try it out. And again we get many more options here, like image translation, right, to any of the language. Like if the client has image or the PDF, you can easily use this tool and give them and charge them for the work, right? And yes, one more option I want to show you here is of this extension. As you can see, now this is the whole German article, okay? And if I want to translate it whole, just I have to do is I have to just click on Control Shift L, and this is the magic. As you can see, this tool has easily converted the whole article into my English language, right? And you can convert it into any language you wanna. And yes, this is where this whole tool wins, and Google Translate is much less as compared to this tool. So thus you can even start earning as soon as possible by creating the gig on the Fiverr for the translation, and you can also charge up to $5 and you can make your red card. And yes, I hope this tool helps you to generate your passive income, and here you go.